All right, we got a MK6 Jetta.
What
Key
year?
will not shut off. This one is a 2013. Show you a little trick how to turn it off. Release the steering, bang on it a little bit, get the key out. There you go.
Interesting. And obviously we're gonna fix that so you don't have to do that.
Yeah, we're gonna fix that so that doesn't have to happen. So the issue is it's the steering lock is jammed up. T25.
Just taking the top cover off.
T25, but bottom end's up. T25.
One hell of a trick you got.
Get it all the way stretched out. You can lock it now. You know, unplug the steering column module, the airbag connector, and this little connector right here. Pull straight out, pull down toward your leg, and that'll come out. Unplug that. It has security bolts holding it on up here. You see them? Look at them.
Yep.
Yeah. The secret is file down a little punch, get a point on it. Work the punch in. There's one. Security bolt, so the head breaks off when you tighten it.
It's like some sort of rivet?
No, it's this right here.
And what's that doing?
That is spinning the bolt out. So basically you're taking the punch and you're putting an indent in it straight up and down. When you have the indent, turn the punch and unscrew the bolt. Okay. Take it out of its clip mount. Unhook the reader coil. You're going to take the key, put it in the ignition, turn it. There's going to be a hole here and a hole. Do you see the hole right there? Can you see it?
Not really.
Where's the flashlight? Take a paper clip, straighten it out. So you're about there. Okay. There's a hole right there.
Yep, I see that one.
And a dot right there. You want to line those up. Make sure those lined up. You're going to work the paper clip down in there.
That's the expensive secret tool.
No, this is pretty common knowledge. Alright, and the idea is you want to get that lock right here. That's what's holding it in, is this. And the paper clip, when it's in there correctly, will hold that, work that flat. So here's our old steering lock. Take out the key lock solenoid so someone can't take the key out while you're in drive. This is trashed.
That's a new part.
Okay. Take the key. Make sure you're still locked up here. This is hard to do even with the key out. It's just you want to wiggle it and wiggle the key. This on the reader coil to this notch right there. Push it in. Take that out. There you go. Alright. So you're going to want to install it with the key turned on, otherwise the steering wheel lock will be up. It's going to be hard to index it in there.
Gotcha.
Put that lock at. Put this guy in there.
What is that?
That's so the key doesn't come out. It's the key lock, as I said 2 seconds ago. Slide it up in the mount. It'll hold itself in 2 locking tabs once you have it in there. Here are the new security bolts. You can see the inverted Torx heads on them.
Basically, the top snaps off when.
Yeah, so it makes it harder for someone to steal your car.
Gotcha.
Now you can turn the key off, take it out.
What harnesses?
Steering column lock, or steering column control module harnesses, airbag harness, and the ignition harness right there. Take this guy. There. Nothing.
T25s?
T25s. Yep, just make sure these are in their mounts. Those are the locking clips for the top of the clamshell. Lock that down. Third T25 on the bottom.
And did we say what year?
Well, we definitely said what year.
Give it to me one more time. Year, make, model.
It's 2014 VW Jetta 2.5. That's it. Let's clear any faults we might have caused, although I doubt we did.